Like, subscribe, and get notified.
A writ petition has been filed by the parents in the High Court objecting to the government decision to start schools on 1st April 2025. They are extremely upset that their children are getting only 2 or 3 days break after their exams without the regular summer break where they can go for holidays, indulge in extracurricular activities, or simply take rest. They have also launched a massive signature campaign with over 10,000 signatures collected in 4 days. State to file reply by 19th March. Parents expressed their apprehensions about their children going to school in the height of summer and how they could face health issues.
I don't think so. It's convenient for the kids to start the school in April, but I believe it should start in the June. That's because the temperature in Goa, especially in Goa, it's too hot. It's too damn hot, especially this year. I don't think so. The kids will be able to, come up with the studies, or maybe they will be able to concentrate on their studies in the hot climate. So even this hot climate might also, come up with the health issues. It might also get the health issues because of it. Even they might not be able to concentrate on it. Even they might have a stressful mind where they don't get, with the whole academic year, they have to be in the school overall, and they don't get the environment to play around, to grasp things outside the school. So I would suggest, they could get some time where they can grasp the things outside the school, where they can, evolve with the other activities apart from the school activities.
Starting in April for the small kids is not fair, since the temperature goes 36 to 40 degrees centigrade. So I am very against over it. So I feel that the schools should start in the month of June. Because since elders cannot bear, parents cannot bear the heat, how the children will bear it in the month of April, May? The temperature goes to 40 and above. Can't say.
First of all, the climate is an issue. I mean, it's very hot, and I think the kids deserve 2 months rest, starting, because the academic year is it's a long one, starting from June until March, and I think the kids deserve a 2 months break. And I think the government should first concentrate on the infrastructure. In Goa, we are lacking a shortage of water, then power cut downs in the summer. Then it would be difficult for the kids, to sit in one classroom, and then without a proper, there's no fans not working due to the power cut down and everything.
Students said they would like to take a break from studies, enjoy nature, go on vacation, enjoy sports and summer camps.
No, I do not want school to start in April, especially when the heat is out and it's burning heat. How do they expect us to come to school, especially in the summer?
So, Abigail, do you want holidays?
Yes, I do want holidays, so I can spend time with my family and travel and experience places, and I can go for football practices, especially knowing I love football.
Reopening in April, I think it's really wrong due to the extreme heat in April. As we know, it's extremely hot in March as well, so you can just imagine what it will be in April. Many students get affected by this by various reasons like rashes, dehydration, and etc. After that, many of our extracurricular activities have been stopped because of exams coming near. And I've heard that whenever I go for football training, it eventually stops because, I have exams, I need to study. My parents said no. But I think it's time that after these exams, we at least get to compensate for what we have lost. I think we should be able to do whatever we want in our holiday and shouldn't be so short lasting.
School should not be starting in April because of the scorching heat, and people have different kind of disease and different types of like eyes disease, and they faint easily, and it causes a lot of problems. And as soon as our exam gets over, we need a vacation, which is necessary because studies come first, but then we also need a break, and we need outdoor games. We need to go for example, football and different kind of activities.
तर ते म्हणजे हांवें ताका जे सांगलें तें तुमकां सांगता की हे जे काही निर्णय आसात ते पालकांक विश्वासात घेऊन करपा जाताले, कारण प्रत्येक शाळेत पालक शिक्षक संघ म्हणून यंत्रणा आसा. आणि म्हणजे इथला बेगीन किताब म्हणजे आता 6 महिने पहिली, वर्षभर पहिली, म्हणजे राष्ट्रीय शिक्षण धोरण 2020 येऊन आता म्हणता म्हणता 4 वर्ष जाऊन गेली. तर त्याच्यात जे किती सुधारणा सुचवलेलो तर त्या संबंधात चर्चा ही पालक संघाकडे करू द्यायची किंवा पेरेंट टीचर असोसिएशन ऑल गोवा काय असा. आणि त्या संबंधात जी भूमिका असा म्हणजे जसे आता सीबीएसई स्कूल्स जी असतात सगळ्या राज्यात ती याच पद्धतीने चालतात आणि एप्रिल महिन्यात त्यांचे 9व्या वर्ष सुरू जातात. काय आता माझा नातूही पुणे सीबीएसई स्कूलातच शिकता. त्याची परीक्षा आज सोपली. आता आता त्याच्या साडेचार सुट्टी सुरू मार्चात आणि 1 एप्रिलच्या परत शाळा सुरू त्याची 9व्या वर्षा खातीर 9वी खातीर निकाल अजून लागू ना त्याचंही. पण त्याप्रमाणे ते हे करतात नाही म्हणजे आणि हे सगळे देशात असा न्ही. ती भुरगी जी असा सीबीएसई स्कूलात शिकती ती काय वेगळी असतात काय बाकीच्या भुरग्यापेक्षा.
The High Court has granted time till 19th March to file the reply, Advocate General Devidas Pangam disclosed.
See, this is a petition filed by some of the parents to say that the opening of the academic year by 1st of April is not suitable to the student. So we are filing a reply to it and we will explain to the court and to the public also as to what is the reason for doing this. See, there is a new education policy which is being implemented in the state of Goa. There is already a delay in doing this. We will lag behind if you don't implement it. For the purpose of proper implementation of this new education policy, the experts who have studied this policy thoroughly for more than a year now, they have drawn this strategy and that is how this policy has been adopted and the date of opening of the academic year has been stated to be in the first day of the month of April. So that is the petition about. We will justify this decision of the government and the experts. But one thing is sure that this decision has been taken by taking into account the interest of the students and basically the educational standards which have to be improved in the state of Goa. We will have to compete with the national level education. We will have to compete with the best of the institutions in the country and for that purpose we should move ahead, move forward and adopt and accept the new challenges which are now thrown in the public as far as education is concerned. There is a policy which has been adopted at the national level. We will have to implement that policy. There cannot be two ways about it. So therefore now the court basically has told us to explain as to what were the decisions taken and what were the considerations which are there in the minds of the government and the experts. So we are going to file an affidavit and explain it to the court. There is no stay or anything on the decision of the government and the court will hear the matter in next week.